Before diving into the nitty-gritty of engine cleaning, let's gather our cleaning weapons. Having the right tools makes the job easier and more effective. First up, we need a good engine degreaser. This will be our heavy hitter against grease and grime. There are many brands available, so choose one that's right for your engine. Next, grab some soft bristled brushes. These will help us scrub away dirt and grime in those hard-to-reach areas. Avoid using wire brushes as they can scratch delicate engine components. Don't forget a garden hose with a spray nozzle. This will be our rinsing tool of choice. A pressure washer can be used, but be cautious around electrical components. Finally, we'll need some microfiber towels or rags for drying and wiping down surfaces. These are great for a streak-free finish. Before we fire up our cleaning engines, let's talk safety. Working on a car engine involves potential hazards, so protecting ourselves and our vehicles is paramount. First and foremost, always work on a cold engine. A hot engine can cause severe burns, and certain cleaning products can become flammable at high temperatures. Let the engine cool down completely before proceeding. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable. This simple step eliminates the risk of electrical shorts, ensuring a safe cleaning experience. Wearing gloves is non-negotiable. Engine degreasers and other cleaning chemicals can be harsh on the skin. Protect your hands with a pair of sturdy rubber gloves. Now that we're geared up and safety conscious, let's prepare the engine bay for its cleaning transformation. This crucial step ensures a more effective and efficient cleaning process. Start by covering sensitive electrical components. This includes the alternator, fuse box, and any exposed wiring. Use plastic bags and tape to shield them from moisture. Next, locate the air intake and cover it securely. Water entering the air intake can damage the engine, so protecting it is essential. Finally, identify any areas with stubborn grease or grime buildup. We'll pay special attention to these areas during the degreasing process. With our engine bay prepped and ready, it's time to unleash the cleaning power of our engine degreaser. This step will cut through the accumulated grease and grime, revealing the engine's hidden glory. Following the instructions on your chosen engine degreaser, apply it liberally to all areas of the engine bay. Don't be afraid to be generous. We want the degreaser to work its magic. Allow the degreaser to sit for the recommended time. This dwell time allows the chemicals to penetrate and break down stubborn grime. Once the dwell time is up, use your soft bristled brushes to agitate the degreaser, paying special attention to those areas we identified earlier with heavy grime. Section 5. Rinse and shine, unveiling your engine's sparkle. With the degreaser having done its job, it's time to rinse away the grime and reveal our engine's newfound cleanliness. This step is satisfying as we witness the transformation firsthand. Using your garden hose with a spray nozzle, thoroughly rinse the engine bay, starting from the top and working your way down. Ensure all traces of degreaser and grime are washed away. Avoid using high-pressure water streams, especially around electrical components. Excessive pressure can force water into sensitive areas, causing damage. As you rinse, inspect the engine bay for any remaining dirt or grime. If necessary, repeat the degreasing and rinsing process in specific areas. Section 6. Tackling the tough stuff, stubborn stain strategies. While our engine bay should be looking significantly cleaner, some stubborn stains might require extra attention. Fear not. We have strategies for these tough customers. For baked-on grease or grime, consider using a dedicated engine cleaner. These products are formulated to tackle the most stubborn stains. Apply the engine cleaner to the affected areas and allow it to dwell according to the product instructions. Then, scrub with a soft bristled brush and rinse thoroughly. Remember, patience is key when dealing with stubborn stains. Avoid using harsh abrasives or tools that can damage the engine's finish. Section 7. Drying and protecting, the final touches. With our engine sparkling clean, it's time for the finishing touches. Drying and protecting our hard work. This step ensures a streak-free shine and safeguards the engine from future grime buildup. Use your microfiber towels or rags to dry the engine bay thoroughly. Pay attention to crevices and hard-to-reach areas where water might linger. Once dry, consider applying a protectant to the engine surfaces. This will help repel dirt and grime, making future cleanings easier. Choose a protectant specifically designed for engine bays. Apply it sparingly and wipe away any excess with a clean microfiber towel. Section 8. The Clean Engine Lifestyle Maintenance Tips. Congratulations, your engine is now gleaming. But the journey doesn't end here. Maintaining a clean engine is an ongoing process that reaps long-term rewards. Regularly inspect your engine bay for dirt, grime, or leaks. Addressing issues promptly prevents them from escalating into bigger problems. Consider incorporating a quick engine bay wipe down into your regular car washes. This simple habit helps prevent dirt and grime from accumulating. Remember, a clean engine runs smoother, performs better, and lasts longer. By embracing the clean engine lifestyle, you're investing in your vehicle's longevity. Section 9. Sparkling success. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Take a step back and admire your handiwork. Your engine is now a testament to your cleaning prowess, gleaming with pride. But the satisfaction goes beyond aesthetics. A clean engine runs cooler, breathes easier, and performs at its best. You've not only enhanced your car's appearance but also its overall health and longevity. Driving with a clean engine is a joy. It's a subtle reminder of your dedication to your vehicle, a badge of honor for a job well done. So, go ahead, enjoy the open road, knowing that beneath the hood lies a sparkling engine, a testament to your DIY spirit and a symbol of automotive excellence.